So without wasting time, I'll directly tell you that how you can post your full photos on Instagram without cropping it and without using any third-party application in just 2 steps. So as there are only 2 steps, so you have to stay tuned and watch the video without skipping a single second. So the first step is you have to first of all open up your app store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that you have to go to the search button and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Instagram application by tapping on this button right here. This is the first and mandatory step. If you don't do this, you will not be able to post full photos on Instagram without cropping. So when first step is done, the only last step is you have to open up your Instagram application. And if I go into this plus button for posting my photos, and if I select this photo right here, you can see that it is allowing me to post my square photo. So what you have to do is you have to go back, and you don't have to go into this plus button for posting your photos. What you have to do is you have to go to your home page, and after that you have to swipe right. And when your camera opens, from here you have to select this post option. And now when you select your photo, you have to press this little button available in the bottom left corner of your photo. As soon as you press it, your whole photo will be selected and it will be uncropped. Now you can post it as you want. If I press the next button and next again, and if I share it, here you can see that my photo has been posted without cropping. So let me summarize what you have to do. You only don't have to go into this plus button for posting your photos, but what you have to do is you have to open the camera from your home section and go to post section from here and press this little arrow after selecting your photo. So in this way, your photo will be uncropped and you will be able to post full photos on Instagram. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.